privacy and cybersecurity is not a concern of just the US. It's a concern all over the globe.
It's really critical to think about things from the perspective of all of the players in the system.
We really try to put ourselves in the shoes of the client and think about the business challenges that they face.
Healthcare delivery is integrated. It's not one product or one physician or one hospital or one medical device.
We have to think about, okay, what helps our clients get from A to B, where A is the technology or the solution they're trying to develop, and B is a cure or a therapeutic.
Virtual healthcare is only going to keep growing, and so the role of cybersecurity and privacy is going to just be absolutely key to that. It's got to all work together. You know, it may be a hospital in the middle of the country that's delivering a service. It might be someone in a completely another country who is going to hack that information. The same technologies have to be appreciated in a global fashion as well in order to harmonize regulations.
Navigating global data protection requires novel, disruptive thinking and an understanding of all the potential data sources and potential data security issues. From large hospital systems to individual innovators, providing best practices for everyone who touches healthcare.
Reducing privacy and cyber risk is compliance focused, and I think it has the additional benefit of actually helping your product to be more marketable.
There have been some new legislative initiatives which incentivize medical product developers and the FDA to think about using those data sources to bring new products to market. Remote monitoring tools for Alzheimer's, remote monitoring tools for heart disease, for blood pressure. These things are getting more and more sophisticated, some of the most important healthcare advances in the next coming 5 to 10 years.
Being on the cutting edge of technology and data use also means being on the forefront of shaping emerging policies.
So oftentimes the work is educating those companies to say, okay, you might have very good technology, but how does this look in the heavily regulated environment?
As of a couple of days ago, there were 140 different laws across the globe that address either what you can do with data or how you have to protect it.
Look, there's an uptick in enforcement. The government is looking at how companies protect the data, how they tell people they're protecting the data, and how they are taking care of their systems.
It's about balancing the benefits of innovating while being mindful of the risks, and having a proven compliance program in place is critical.
We have been enforcers ourselves. Okay, this is something that does get scrutiny, and this is something that we can explain, and that's really vital to anyone who's helping people navigate or companies navigate an enforcement landscape.
And the patients at the center of all of it have to trust the system.
We're only at the beginning of thinking about the technologies, but just like it was 25 years ago when we were first starting to talk about needing privacy rules, that's only going to be as good as you and I and everybody else really believe in the system and that our information is going to be protected.